What defines a leader? Not just a title, not just a result, but the standard they set. In pressure, they step forward. In change, they stay steady. Through vision and action, they lift others. This is what the Singapore Management Awards honor. Leadership that performs, excellence that inspires, impact that endures. A night to recognize those who lead from the front, a moment to celebrate those who set the standard. Join us on 21st August 2026 at Shangri-La Singapore. SMA 2026. Celebrating leadership, recognizing excellence, inspiring impact. Register now at fsma.org.sg/SMA-registration.